joining us tonight on the first News Hour debate, Sanjay Jha, spokesperson of the Congress. Also joining us, Yatin Oza, senior advocate of the Gujarat High Court and also a BJP leader. Meenakshi Lekhi, national spokesperson of the BJP, is also joining us. Kamal Farooqi, political analyst. Ajay Bose, senior journalist, is joining us. And Shahid Siddiqui, chief editor of Nai Dunya, also joining us, as is the Samajwadi Party's Ravidas Mehrotra and Dr. Madhu Gupta, national secretary and MLC of the SP as well. Now, first up, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi, we must come to you because there are serious allegations being made by the BJP. Nirmala Sitharaman has said that there is an undeclared understanding between the Samajwadi Party and the district administration. First up, at the outset, what proof does the BJP have of any of these allegations that they're making?
The mannerism in which the whole business is being conducted, the business which is being conducted needs to be seen in the light of the fact that similar area where permission application has been made much in advance and the same is declined and denied, to other party the same permission is granted. And it quite clearly appears, since the local administration who's to be posted where before the election and definitely decides where a person is going to be posted during the election, lies with the SP government, because the local administration was with them before the election, and it is people of their choice who have been placed in the key positions, and it is acting through those people which is coming apparent and which is as transparent as it can be, and the list of events is showing exactly that.
But Ms. Lekhi, even as you say that, at the same time other parties are being granted clearance and, given the permission, the fact is that it's not really the case. Rahul Gandhi's roadshow getting the green signal, yes, but that is for the 10th of May. And the specific issue regarding Varanasi tomorrow, of course, from the district administration side, what they've put forth is that the venue has already been blocked earlier. It's not that, at the same time and same venue, one party is getting the permission and the other one is not.
No, I have a very simple question, that if 10th is blocked and if a particular program is handed over to them, which is that NGO? Have they disclosed that? And what is the program of the NGO? And this is not the first time. This kind of sabotage I have seen even during my own elections. And I'm pretty aware of the manner in which such things happen. But of course, that the sabotage was not through the Election Commission. There was a different kind of sabotage which was going on. But in this case, since it is the administration which is making such declarations and blocking and trying to evade the responsibility and not granting requisite permissions. And if it is for 10th, they could have very well much in advance said that, okay, the venue is not available for 8, but we'll give it to you for 9.
Meenakshi Lekhi.
Or morning is not possible, evening we'll give you. Evening is not possible, we'll give you the morning. I mean,
Meenakshi Lekhi, for all these claims, here's also the counter, and I'm going to put this across to Yatin Oza also. Why is it that the permissions or the applications have been withdrawn now? Is it because that the requests look like they would be acceded to, or they would be considered, the permissions would be granted, and then this entire dharna route, this entire protest route that's now been adopted will fizzle out?
No, absolutely not. I'll put it differently.
Meenakshi Lekhi, I'm just going to get Yatin Oza in and then I'll come back to you.
Clear.
Yes, Yatin Oza.
Absolutely not, and I am in agreement with, complete agreement with what Meenakshi said. I mean, it appears that administration, UP administration, has possibly thought that Article 19 doesn't stand in the Constitution. Meenakshi is absolutely right. Nobody has blocked the venue for the entire day. You could have told us that no, have it this time or that or the other time.
No, you're deviating from the question. My question is, why withdraw the applications now?
Depression.
Yatin Oza, why withdraw the applications now? Because towards the evening, the sentiment was that your request would be granted. And then tomorrow's protest plans outside the Banaras Hindu University campus, all that would fizzle out.
No, we will take this matter to the people's court. We are not going to sit silent. Such brutal actions, shameful in democracy, cannot be countenanced even for a second. You are permitting road show on 10th. and you are declining a prime ministerial candidate only because
Again, you are
have a
avoiding the
fear
question,
that
Mr.
his
Oza.
rally in Banaras is not only going
Can
to
I
affect
answer?
Banaras but 10 to 12 other seats in UP as well as Bihar, that you are adhering to such unconstitutional, illegal methods.
You are again avoiding the question that I asked you,
And
Mr.
we are
Oza. Yes,
definitely
Meenakshi
taking
Lekhi.
it to
May I answer?
Yes, Meenakshi Lekhi.
You see, I have a very simple point to make. Now, a person like Mr. Modi is much required across the country and all the seats where the election is still to be held. And if a particular permission and a particular schedule was prepared for Varanasi and that has been declined, his schedule will change for another place immediately, and we are not going to await till eternity for them to give us a permission or not to give us a permission or announce it one day or 1 hour before. We need to tidy up our programs so his schedule and his programs will move on, number one. Number two, in the meantime, how a particular government or how a particular system is operating, I am within my legal and constitutional rights to make that an election issue. And if I choose to do that, others can't cry hoarse over this, because even that is as relevant to send the signals and message as it is required in any democratic setup.
Okay, I know Sanjay Jha wants to say something, and we'll come to you, Mr.
Meenakshi,
Jha.
we'll
But
take it to the
let's go across. Let's go
Meenakshi,
across to the
we will take it to
Samajwadi
the public
Party
domain.
first, because the allegations
take it to the
are against the Samajwadi Party.
court of
So,
people.
Dr. Madhu Gupta, the allegation is that the state administration is working on some sort of
one
undeclared
minute,
understanding
it
and
is not
putting this
against
roadblock
Samajwadi
in
Party
front of
alone.
Narendra Modi to
Our
try and stop him
allegations are
in
against
Varanasi. What is the
Samajwadi Party
Samajwadi's
joining
response to
hands
that?
with Congress, BSP, everybody.
It's absolutely a false allegation. See, first of all, let me tell you, the BJP does not believe in democratic setup. The BJP doesn't believe in the secular government. They don't trust even the election commission. And they now have started accusing the returning officer, the administration. They must realize that when it was the beginning of the election in Varanasi, it was put a blanket cover to have any event on the Ganga Ghat. So it's not a partiality with them. They have to
No,
have
but it's
some
not
issue,
just about the Ganga
to
Ghat. There
divide
are three
people
events that we're
to-
talking about.
for the
There's a rally,
communalism.
there's a puja on the Ganga Ghat that you're talking about,
See,
and there
the
was to be one meeting with certain citizens inside a hotel. The permission was not granted for all three. And you know, the fact is, according to the ADM of the city, according to the ADM of the city, it's the local police station and local intelligence unit reports which were awaited, which is why the procedure could not be followed. Now, these two units come under the state government. So why are those reports still awaited? Why could they not come forth with the reports that the ADM says are still awaited?
Administration looks at the law. Administration looks at the law and order, safety and security. When they would find the LIU report and they will find it's not advisable, they will give the
Where
right
is the
opinion. They would decide of their own.
Madam, where is the report?
They would decide of their own.
Madam, where is the report?
See, they must have assessed it. See,
Dr. Madhu
they
Gupta,
must
where
have
is the
assessed.
report?
Without assessing, they wouldn't have said.
Because you're...
I haven't got the report with
No,
me, but obviously...
just like Tina
obviously
said, the
they have
ADM
assessed
himself has said that the report is awaited. Tina just said the ADM himself, and she's quoted the ADM, that the report is still awaited.
Also know that
So
what
there is
you
no
are saying
report,
is not right.
but there is a
But the
threat perception and a security issue.
Administration
Your voice
is,
lacks
let
completely
me tell you, the
confidence.
administration is free to decide where the law and order can be maintained, where the safety and security for the public
But
is
Dr.
there,
Madhu Gupta,
rather
there has to
than
be a
just
basis for it.
giving them anyone permission.
What is the basis? What is the basis for this decision? What is the basis? Is there a sound basis or is it just a tacit understanding?
See, when they decide, when
And
they
go
give the
to the party
permission,
office
the
to meet
permission
the
to any
workers.
party,
And I'm
because
sure they can't
Samajwadi
hold
Party
it from
doesn't
there.
do any partiality with anyone. Once they take a decision, it may be any party. They would decide whatever is the right thing to do. I mean, not specifically for BJP. BJP can think in that term because they believe in communalism. They believe that
Let
some
me
or other
clarify
confusion
one
should
point
happen.
to
It's their basically,
Mr.
it's their
Gupta.
nervousness, is basically their frustration.
Dr. Gupta,
They
just hold
are
on. I think
protesting,
Yatin Oza and
for
Meenakshi Lekhi have a counter. Meenakshi Lekhi first.
Want to make a point. See, the point is very simple. If this is the manner in which administration is going to run its business in collusion and against the law of the land, Mr. Modi is going to land tomorrow at the BHU helipad and go and meet the party workers at the party office, election office. And from there, he will go to the airport. We'll see how that can be stalled.
Mr. Ravidas Mehrotra, would you like to come in here? You know, we're talking बात ये हो रही है कि समाजवादी पार्टी is working on some undeclared understanding and you know with the state administration. Mr. Ravidas Mehrotra, your take on that also?
Yatin Oza, please wait. We'll come to you. We will come to you. Please wait. We'll come to you. Yatin Oza, please wait. We'll come to you.
पूर्ण रूप से
Yes, Mr.
डेमोक्रेसी
Mehrotra.
विश्वास रखते हैं और किसी भी कीमत में जो बीजेपी का आरोप है ये पूरा एलिगेशन फॉल्स है। हम लोगों ने कोई भी प्रदेश की सरकार ने या हमारी पार्टी की सरकार ने कहीं पर भी कल कार्यक्रम के या रैली पे रोक लगाने के लिए कोई निर्देश या कोई कार्रवाई नहीं करी है। ये वहां का जो अधिकारी हैं, आरओ हैं, इलेक्शन अफसर हैं, उनका अपना फैसला है। हम लोगों का विश्वास है डेमोक्रेसी में कि हर व्यक्ति को अपनी बात कहने का अधिकार है। जनता फैसला करेगी कि किसकी बात सही है।
मेहरोत्रा जी, उस बात का कोई आधार होना चाहिए ना। देयर हैज टू बी अ बेसिस। इसका आधार क्या है? 20,000 सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल वाराणसी में है, वर्चुअल गैरिसन बना दिया गया है उसको, और फिर भी आप कह रहे हैं थ्रेट परसेप्शन है जिसकी कोई ऑफिशियल रिपोर्ट नहीं है।
बात सुनिए।
नहीं तो किस आधार पे ये डिसीजन लिया गया है? और समाजवादी पार्टी रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर की हिमायत क्यों कर रही है?
कानून व्यवस्था में
देखिए, जो वहां पर अधिकारी हैं, जिन लोगों ने ये फैसला किया है,
2 साल
उनसे
में
आप पूछ सकते हैं रिपोर्ट कौन सी आई है। मुझको मालूम ये है
और व्यवस्था की बात
आईबी की
करते हैं,
रिपोर्ट आई है,
कानून की बात करते हैं। 2 साल में यूपी जंगल राज।
कहां है वो आईबी की रिपोर्ट? वहां तो कह रहे हैं कि लोकल इन्वेस्टिगेटिव यूनिट की रिपोर्ट है, वो भी मौजूद नहीं है। वो भी मौजूद नहीं है। देयर इज नो रिपोर्ट। व्हाट रिपोर्ट आर यू साइटिंग? शो अस द रिपोर्ट। देयर इज नो रिपोर्ट।
एक बात सुनिए,
मैं आपको दिखा दे,
उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार
दिखा दे,
मोदी के किसी कार्यक्रम के ऊपर रोक लगाने के लिए कोई निर्देश या कार्रवाई नहीं करी है। वहां के लोकल अधिकारी हैं, आरओ हैं, इलेक्शन अफसर हैं, चुनाव के अधिकारी हैं, उन लोगों का ये फैसला है और इस संबंध में जो उनका फैसला है।
हाउ हैव दे अराइव्ड एट द डिसीजन?
मेहरोत्रा जी, ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि जब मोदी जी ने अपना नॉमिनेशन फाइल किया था, वो जो 2 लाख लोग देखे गए थे, वो जो मोदी लहर देखी गई थी, उसको देख के अब थोड़ी यूपी की सरकार डर गई है और उस वजह से ये अड़ंगा लगाया जा रहा है। उसको आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए ना कोई डरने की बात है और हम लोग मुकाबला कर रहे हैं। हमको एक बात कहनी है बनारस के लोगों से कि चिरागों की हिफाजत उन्हें सौंपी गई तो रोशनी के शहर में सिर्फ धुआं रह जाएगा। तो जो लोग नफरत की राजनीति कर रहे हैं, जो लोग चाहते हैं
आप एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव मामले को देखिए, राजनीतिक ये कलर मत दीजिएगा, पॉलिटिकल कलर मत दीजिए। मैं आपसे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं। सवाल ये है कि शासकीय क्वेश्चन, ये प्रश्न है आपका कि ये डिसीजन किस बेसिस पे लिया गया है? That is what the BJP is irked about. Yes, Yatin Oza, you've been wanting to make a point for some time. Go ahead, please.
ये डिसीजन जो है वो इलेक्शन कमीशन, चुनाव आयोग, चुनाव अधिकारी, इन लोगों का फैसला है। प्रदेश की सरकार ने वो कार्यक्रम पे रोक लगाने के लिए
nobody in the country would accept, and there is absolutely no confidence in what he says. Because he knows what he says is wrong. Secondly, he has made himself a laughing stock by saying that we believe in law and order. What UP was before Akhilesh Yadav regime and what UP is today after Akhilesh Yadav's regime, everybody in the country has seen. UP is a state where Gunda Raj prevails, highest number of crimes in general, highest number of crimes against women, highest number of crimes against weaker sections of the society. UP has become completely lawless. And when Akhilesh Yadav came to Gujarat, Honorable the Chief
Can we come back to the issue? Can we come back to the issue, Yatin Oza? Can we come back to the issue?
Support. He was permitted.
Okay, Mr. Mehrotra and Yatin Oza, please wait. I'm going to go across to Sanjay Jha of the Congress, who's been sitting and smiling and giving us that smile right through the first 10 minutes of this debate. What is the Congress's position? Are you also batting with the Samajwadi Party and the BSP in trying to block Narendra Modi and the BJP? That's the allegation that's being made. Because you seem to be gloating over the permission Rahul Gandhi's roadshow has got, but don't have a position about what is happening as far as the BJP rallies are concerned.
It's a joint decision.
Anand, if somebody doesn't interrupt me, I'll tell you, it's a theater of the absurd. The BJP is so politically desperate that if you saw the very orchestrated, publicity campaign that Mr. Jaitley and Mr. Amit Shah did today, tomorrow's plans are being announced. They are victims. Mr. Modi is a martyr. They are facing so much of heat at this moment of time. They want to encash on any opportunity to make political capital. It is such a sad day for Indian democracy, Anand, that today you have the BJP actually talking of conspiracy theories against the Election Commission of India, a constitutional authority.
We had the Congress on the, harping similar lines a few days ago, Sanjay Jha. So, but all parties are doing it.
Daylight. And 1 minute. And this by a party, no 1 minute. This by a party whose prime ministerial candidate has threatened the Election Commission, saying that I will look into your affairs in the, God forbid that will never happen, in the event that he gets a chance to form a government. Worse, he even challenged the Election Commission to file an FIR against him. So this party has absolutely no locus, stand-by.
No, but Mr. Sanjay Jha, the question is the Samajwadi Party tacitly helping you? That is the question. And before you answer that, just a couple of things. One, let's talk about the kind of rallying or the kind of political campaigning that we have seen from both the Samajwadi Party and the BSP in Varanasi. Let me just bring some numbers up. The BSP and the SP together have taken permission for just 24 rallies total together between the two of them in Varanasi, compared to the Congress's 29, the BJP's 119 and the Aam Aadmi Party's 182. I mean, is the BSP and the SP not going soft in Varanasi to try and help and sort of come together with the Congress to try and stop Narendra Modi?
Well, let me tell you, Mr. Modi has been campaigning not just in Uttar Pradesh but all over India. Why is it that suddenly, as we enter the last phase of the election, suddenly Election Commission has become so hostile? The entire state government machinery is working hand in glove to stop Mr. Modi. Read into the message, ladies and gentlemen.
So
Mr. Modi
that
and
the Congress, Congress, SP and BSP have shaken hands. That's the message that the BJP is reading.
An imminent demise. They're seeing an imminent demise.
Sanjay Jha, that's the message that the BJP is reading. Is that right?
Why has Mr. Jaitley suddenly withdrawn the application? I just read about it before your program started. Why?
Yes, but Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi has already answered that, Sanjay Jha.
Commission response to whatever their complaint.
Meenakshi Lekhi wants to come in.
I think Meenakshi has answered that. Meenakshi has in extenso answered that.
Yes, Ms.
Well,
Lekhi.
let me tell you that answer is so
apparent. And what is apparent is
because
in
finally
Amethi,
Mr. Modi is going to Varanasi.
they will not
Sanjay
be
Jha,
a candidate.
She's announcing
They will not
his program,
campaign.
the helipad,
In any case,
etc.
in
It's
any
all part
case,
of an orchestration.
if-
Sanjay Jha, just hold on. Meenakshi Lekhi giving you a strong answer now.
Absolutely. We are not going to wait for you to take a call or make decisions for us. When we have made an application and you are there to sabotage those
And at the last
programs,
minute.
we are not going
And
to
that too
allow
at
you
the
to do
last
that
minute.
and run all over us. And you can't stop our leader from meeting the people and approaching the people. You can't stop him from walking on the road. I mean, I would just say that if he decides to walk, imagine what will happen. And what will be the message? If he decides to just travel from the helipad to the BJP office and to the airport, can you stop him from doing that? That's the simple question. And if you can't
the
stop
question
him,
there,
we
I
will
think
make
Ajay Bose.
that
Point
our
for
political
BJP,
program.
this is a political
and if you
stunt.
choose,
This is nothing but a political stunt.
why
This is
why
a
did you
brazen
give us an
political
opportunity
ploy
to have
to
a
try and
political stunt?
appear like
Why did you not give the permission
No, 1
and
minute.
allow us to
Talk
have
to the
our
Election
political
Commission,
program?
Meenakshi. Meenakshi, do you have any respect for the Election
Is
Commission?
working
Does your party have any
with
respect for the Election
Right.
Of
Commission?
course, I have respect. I have
Well,
respect, and that's why I've written to the Election Commission.
Sanjay Jha
I've
and
written
Meenakshi
to the
Lekhi,
Election Commission
please wait.
and
I think
telling the
Ajay
National
Bose
Election
wants to make a point.
Election Commission.
I'll request Sanjay Jha and Meenakshi Lekhi to please wait on. Yes, Ajay Bose. Yes, Ajay Bose.
No, Anand.
Sanjay, just wait. Sanjay, please wait.
Election Commission.
Sanjay, please wait. Yes, Ajay Bose.
Make it very clear.
Let us get it very clear.
Election Commission.
Let us get it very clear